guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. और मेरा माउस भी चेंज लगा. And welcome back to another episode of our exploring series.
Episode 7.
नहीं.
अरे वो रोजियट वाला 6 था ना.
वो भी तो है, वो तो हाँ. तो
मेहनत की है मैंने उसमें.
this is the episode 7 and आज हम आए हैं. क्या नाम?
जगह का नाम तो हम बोल ही नहीं सकते. सेलेक्ट सिटी.
बट इट्स इन सिलेक्ट सिटी और एक्चुअली सोडेली पे हमने देखा था. सोडेली पे था ना. और वो बहुत क्यूट सा कैफे है. मेरे को नाम तो बिल्कुल मतलब मैंने सुना नहीं है और दीदी से प्रोनाउंस नहीं हो रहा. तो वी आर हियर एंड पागल है क्या? सो नाइस.
दोनों के अच्छे.
सो हम अंदर जाते हैं और फिर देखते हैं कि जगह का एक्चुअल में नाम है क्या. एंड या विल सी यू वंस वी आर देयर. एंड दिस इज आवर OTD. शो यू OTD.
माइन
या
जब खड़े होंगे तब दिखाते हैं. उसे क्या दिखेगा.
So when we reached there, we got to know that it was not really a proper cafe, but more like a sitting spot, a cute little sitting spot. And not gonna lie, it was a cute area, but it was really, really small.
भाई सब कुछ आंदे इसके बाद ब्लॉग बना लिया. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि तो कैसे करना चाहिए.
So we didn't order much because we weren't sure how the food and the taste is going to be. We went for a chicken teriyaki rice bowl, a ramen noodles, a cappuccino, cold coffee and a hot chocolate. The cappuccino was really adorable when it's come to the whole appearance, but it wasn't that tasty. The ramen noodles, we didn't like it that much because the taste was pretty different. When it comes to the rice bowl, it was nice. You could try that, and the cold coffee was the best of it all, and the hot chocolate was a must try. So you should visit this place if you're a fan of trying something different, some new cuisine. You should go there, but I would suggest not to go there, especially if you are around that area. If you are around the mall, you should definitely try it, but it is not that good that you would just go and specially spend your time there. ये तो अच्छा है.
Guys, मैंने इसके अंदर से ना अपने ramen में से ही मंचो सूप पी है.
पहली बार मुझे कहीं कॉफ़ी बहुत घटिया लगी है. पहली
कॉफ़ी मेरे को बस हॉट चॉकलेट अच्छी लगी और कोल्ड कॉफ़ी अच्छी है. बस ड्रिंक्स अच्छी है. और अब हम डेजर्ट पे जाने वाले हैं क्योंकि खाना तो इतना अच्छा नहीं था. इतना अच्छा क्या, अच्छा ही नहीं था.
चावल ऐसे है ना, 10 मिनट पानी डाल दिया.
गिले चावल मशी ज़्यादा देर तक चावल अंदर रह गए. कोई बात नहीं यार, क्या कर सकते हैं. ट्राई करना था हमें. गाइस वी जस्ट होप कि डेजर्ट अच्छा हो. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से?
गंदी प्लेस.
बोलती ही नहीं मैं.
गंदी प्लेस.
गंदी.
गंदी.
The dessert was the show stealer. It was really nice. We ordered an hazelnut mousse. I don't remember the complete name, but it was around that lines only, and it was really tasty. The texture of it was so soft and something really different. And if you happen to visit this place and you just want to try one thing, I would definitely recommend to go for this one.
कुछ डिफरेंट लग रहा है.
डिफरेंट के चक्कर में आया था.
टेस्ट डिफरेंट है. और ये जो नीचे नट्स आ रहे हैं वो काफ़ी टेस्टी है.
आवाज क्या इसने बोला था.
So after a bit of disappointment, we moved on to the thing that we love the most, which is shopping. And we ended up buying this shirt and a pair of jeans. And of course, we were in full because we didn't eat much in Harajuku Cafe. So we moved on to Champa Gali, which is quite close to the Select City Mall. And We went to this really cute place, Jagmag Thela, and it has outdoor sitting as well. But then we moved in because the weather was really hot that day. But it was really pretty. There were greenery everywhere, and also the lights were starting to lit up because it was getting dark. So it was a really beautiful place. So then we moved inside the cafe, and this is how it looks from inside. It's a quite decent place.
Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide.
So I ordered a kokum drink, and Didi ordered a chai, and we also ordered one nimbu pani and some chicken pizza. The chicken pizza was really tasty. We also ordered chicken kebab, and we also had fries. And I think out of the all, pizza was the best part. I also got it packed for my dinner as well.
पुराना नहीं हो जाता कपड़ा, हो जाता है ना, इसलिए मैं इसको बोलती हूँ जो मैंने खरीदा जो मेरे
लड़कियों की दो प्रॉब्लम है सिर्फ,
वो मुझे मैंने पहनी है।
एक तो कपड़े हैं नहीं, पहली बात।
ब्लॉग है, ये मेरा रोने का ब्लॉग है, इसलिए ये नहीं डलता।
एक तो कपड़े हैं नहीं पहली बात पहनने को, और दूसरी बात है तो पहले बार पहने।
और एक को एक ही टेंशन है।
इसको सिर्फ प्राइस से मतलब है। So Champagali has a very cool and casual vibe, and it also gets really beautiful at night. And yeah, that's it for today. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.